In this guide, I'm going to show you guys how to track order on Dollar Tree. Let's get started. First, launch your Dollar Tree app or navigate to the official website of Dollar Tree, provide your credentials and log into your account. Once logged in, you'll be directed to this kind of page. Now at the top right, you're going to find the option of account. Go ahead and click on that. Different options will appear. Navigate to the option order history. Now from here, you are able to track order. All you have to do is provide your order details. First, type in the order number, then type in the billing zip code, then billing last name and click on track order. Then you can view the current order status such as processing, shipped, ready for pickup or delivered. If your order has already been shipped, you may also see a tracking number and a link to the shipping carrier's tracking page where you can follow your package progress in real time. If you don't see your order or tracking information, give it some time as it may take a while for the status to update after your purchase. So that's it. This is how you can easily track order on Dollar Tree. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share and subscribe.